Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
These how-to instructions are for use with the Tregaskiss TT4A analog reamer. We are going to show you how to use the RT1000 reamer tester. The tester is for use with the Tregaskiss Tough Gun analog reamer. The tester allows you to easily troubleshoot inline and offline on a workbench or tool bench. It plugs into a 110 and then plugs directly into the reamer. Let's take a quick look at some of its features. Here it shows it's at the home position. This is an on-off switch that shows if the power of the reamer is on or off. You can select if you're syncing or sourcing for both input and output. With the power on in the home position, it's time to test your reamer. Now you can perform a test cycle start. This performs a test cycle for the anti-spatter sprayer. If a wire cutter is installed, this can also be tested. The nozzle detect will light up in the presence of metal. These how-to instructions are for use with the Tregaskiss TT4A analog reamer.